What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to reset your screen time passcode on iPhone. So firstly, unlock your device, then open the Settings app. Tap Screen Time and tap Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode again from the menu. And when prompted, tap Forgot Passcode. Now enter your Apple account, email or phone number, then tap OK. Enter your Apple account password, then tap OK again. This step will securely verify device ownership before allowing access. Now enter a new 4-digit screen time passcode, re-enter it to confirm, and you may be asked one last time to enter your Apple account email and password, and once all verified, your new passcode is activated. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.